If you're looking to make a big improvement to your home, there's no better place to start than the kitchen. I'm Phil Spencer, and here at Move IQ, we've teamed up with Wickes to bring you this guide on how to renovate a kitchen. Arguably the most important room in your home. Most of us are looking for a kitchen that blends practicality and flair so that you can cook in comfort and entertain in style. If your kitchen isn't yet that perfect combo, stay tuned, because we're here with tips to help you transform your space. Kitchens need a lot more consideration and planning than other rooms, and one of the first things to think about is whether you might be able to expand the space. This can obviously open up a whole range of new layout, storage, dining and living options. You might have the budget to think about an extension, and we have more on those in another video. But sometimes knocking through internal walls can actually increase the kitchen area without the expense and upheaval of major building work. Remember though, any structural changes, whether you're extending or knocking through, will almost certainly need a structural engineer or building professional to advise and help. These aren't the type of projects that are easily done by yourself. Once you have an idea of the space that will be available, it's time to start designing. This is always the fun part, and it's a good idea to draft design schemes for your new room. At Wickes, you can see an online 3D walkthrough of kitchens, and the design consultants will mock things up so you can really visualize that finished result. Styles vary from sleek, fashion-forward to relaxed country style, so start by visiting your nearest showroom. And you can also look online. Be sure to discuss what is and isn't included in the price. For example, any structural work won't be completed by a kitchen supplier, and not all kitchen fitters offer a full building and renovation service. So you might need to coordinate other tradespeople. Wickes, however, does offer a comprehensive fitting service, which can make life a whole lot easier. Of course, designing a kitchen is very much a collaborative process. So before you start, really take time to properly think through the features and facilities that are important to you. Your kitchen designer may come up with some clever ideas or creative alternatives that you hadn't considered, but if you're clear about certain features, it gives them the best starting point. For instance, what do you like about your existing kitchen that you would like to keep or replicate? How much storage space do you really need? Do you want room for eating and entertaining? And if so, how many people would you like to seat? Would you like an island or a breakfast bar? What size and style of oven, fridge or freezer would you ideally like? It's not just the kitchen furniture to be considered. Once you have the layout decided, then you need to plan the lighting. This can really make or break a room, so don't rush this stage. Most kitchens will benefit from a mix of bright, clear lighting for when you're preparing food, alongside feature lighting and dimmable mood lighting for entertaining. Flooring can also be another often overlooked aspect of kitchen design. It needs to stand up to the spills and splashes that every kitchen floor encounters, but then also have the style that complements your look. And don't forget to think about heating, especially if you're creating a larger space. You may find the heating needs a boost with an extra radiator or underfloor heating. With everything planned, it's time to get started. If you're using builders or kitchen fitters, they might help you remove your old kitchen, as this can be a lot more work than you might think. But before they do look for anything that you could be able to reuse, recycle, or perhaps even more importantly, sell on. A new kitchen often requires a significant amount of electrical work, so it's advisable to share your new kitchen plans with an electrician well in advance. This is when you need to think about specific details, like where the toaster and where the kettle will go, so you get enough plug sockets in the right places. It's always a good idea to opt for a few more than you think you'll actually need, as it can be frustrating to be caught out when you've forgotten something or later add in extra worktop appliances. And of course, you'll need a plumber to reroute the pipework if your sink, washing machine or dishwasher are going in different positions from where they were before. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? Fear not. Wickes installers we'll have everything like this covered so you don't have to worry about coordinating extra tradespeople. Yes, there's a lot to consider, so we put a handy timeline together. In order, number 1, wall units, worktops and base units all need to be removed. Flooring needs to be removed. Initial electrical work then needs to be completed. Plumbing, rerouting needs to be carried out, then the new flooring laid. Wall units need to be installed. Base units, secondary electrical work needs to be completed. Then it's new worktops installed and the sink, taps, plus any further plumbing work. Any new appliances then go in, including the extractor fan. Tiling, finally, furnish and complete. I hope you found this useful. If you haven't already, do sign up for the House Move Heroes program for more help and support. And of course, Wickes have all your home move and renovation essentials, both in store and online.